Before we dive into today's build, I have to take a quick second to shout out some incredible friends of the channel. A buddy of mine coordinated a massive care package delivery to support us here at DB Bricks and to share with all of you. It's support like this that truly keeps the channel growing. So a massive thank you to everyone, and a special shout out to Ryan I from Oregon and Corey H from Ohio for fueling our next few adventures. From all of us here at DB Bricks, we are so grateful for your generosity. Now let's get building. What's up, everybody? Today on DB Bricks, we've got a fun one. We've got Charlie tackling the LEGO Creator Cute Easter Bunny, set number 30716, while Dougie is taking on the LEGO City Police Car, set number 60312. We're going to see how these sets come to life step by step, and at the end, I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which build you like best out of these two. Let's get into it. Well, that's our builds for the day. The Easter Bunny is looking great and that police car is ready for patrol. If you enjoyed these builds, do me a favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell so you don't miss what we're building next here on DB Bricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.